Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070643, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot and then select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next solution will definitely fix any problem associated with Windows updates, and that is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. When you run the script, you would basically follow every single troubleshooting step associated with Windows updates. So copy the script, it's in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt and then click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs and then it will reset WinSock and finally restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.